Today I discuss the shape problem. The question name is undirected graph cycle. Just you can know the what is the undirected graph. If you don't know what is undirected graph, please go watch with the article what is the undirected graph. Then we come. And I think I am in the previous question I have discussed the what is the undirected graph or directed graph and now what is the representation of the graphs. Yes, in this problem, we have to need to detect the given graph is contain a cycle or not. Yes, in the question we have seen clearly see that the ordered graph with the vertex V and the edges represented the vertex is the edges. And this edges are given this and the vertex V to be edges are the graph something because. And directly tell the test what is the test and how to find a circle. Uh, in this question, we have to given four vertices, four edges, and this yes, you see that zero and one. Zero one is connected, zero is connected, one and two is connected, three and two is connected. Yes, cases are connected. Uh, Before thinking of this question, we need to what things into first we draw the graph. The graph is represented by what thing? It's an adjacent matrix, adjacent list. In the previous question, I have discussed the one for the adjacent list. Now, if you now you try the how to draw the adjacent list. Let me do that. Yes. We started from the zero. The zero is goes to which number? Zero is goes to one. Zero goes to three. And this one step one zero two. So that two will go on which notes? Two will go on zero one. So three. And three will also go on which notes? Two. Yes. Now we clearly see that it is the in this graph is from a cycle. Let's clearly see that. Now let's discuss how we know that this cycle is a suppose I'm starting the cell phone and this questions are using the BFS. Yes. So this question in the today video we have to solve this question using the BFS traversal. In the next video, we are going to solve the same problem using the TFS problem. Yes, this TFS search. And I think you know what is DFS and DFS. I'm not discussing what is DFS and what is DFS. I'm discussing how to solve this question using the DFS and DFS source. Yes. Okay. And first we, as the usual of my video, and first we discuss the approach behind this question and giving you the tips and giving you the approach and asking you to go and solve by yourself. Then you see the outlet for the video. Yes, as it is in the video I'm discussed. So, and first we discuss the so this is the video history. First we discuss the how to approach this question. Yes, people can starting to also found this thing. And we also in the DFS show, so we also refer to we have to read what we need the visited. There is a visited record. We do find we out. So that previously this all are with same with all slightly First, this is what why is well because this are not used to many cities. Now we use it. We are starting from the day zero and we go on which directs. Either go on this, either go on this. This about in the BFS shorts we do the one thing. We get the Q structure. Yes, the latest of the first hour so we need the Q data structure. Yes, you see that. Simply we have to start with zero, simply push that. Yes, next address we need to have zero. Yes, easily we have to push zero and so we have to pop zero. Yes, and it's marked as true. Yes, we have to mark. We have to mark the children true. Yes, this is a true. And you push all the characters. Zero is connected to one and two. You simply push one and two. Yes, and you understand that. Now, in the next one, we have to pop one. It is marked as true. In the next expression, we have to pop one, marked as true. Therefore, we have to mark and mark as true. It's true. Okay. Now, in that, we have to push all this after is we simply push zero and two again. Now, was the one we are doing this we have for future and in the next one we have for two plus two plus two plus two is used. After that, this when we push all the elements of this it's zero, it's one, it's zero. Now you see that in the next episode we are waiting for zero, for zero. We see that zero is zero is almost from our diagram. So we are maintaining a vector which have contained visited on our list. You see that in the visited vector is zero and less is zero and this already happened because I hard as true. That's why it's repeated. Yes, it's a cycle. That's why we have to be important one. And then what is zero? See, first we have to starting with zero, then we go on one. Yes, then we go on two. We go two. Then we have to go on again, trying to go on zero side. Yes, but whereas we have to go to zero. That's how we have to again we got the zero. We have to simply data of two. I got a circle. Yes, I could understand that. Now, let's discuss the one new thing I am quickly answer. Okay, so I am clear about this. I'm going to new graph. So you have one is on their side and two is on their side. Yes, and sitting on this your side. Um, Mix out zero is one, is two. And then with our three, it's our four, it's our five, it is our yes. Suppose we have to start with zero. We go on this, we go on this, premium what I will send you. So if you're not writing, you can false. First, when we have been start now, this check when we have nothing start now. But if the initially we have to check this mark, for the mark. So we will visit that. Yes, if you know to like anything. When we start with two, we will check that this mark, this is mark. Because this mark by the zero so yes, simply not always it. Even when this debate was such, you can have to check three. Three is a hard, three is not hard. Then we have run the DFS. If you run the DFS also, you simply got a circle. Now, you think that this is an easy, but in this question, we have to one more catch in this extent. What is that catch? Suppose our value is zero, and then our second value is one. Plus, first one is zero, second one is zero. You see that this is not a sighted graph. It is not present in cycle. Now, let's see in next step. In our previous we have the zero. Yes, we simply sorry for that. First we draw the adjacency list. So you will go on one place, then we want to go on zero. Yes, this is the simple adjacency list. Now we need to push these to zero. We need to count them and we need to equal loss. So zero and one. It's marked as false. It's marked as false. Yes, clearly that now we have to up zero and marked as true as the previous zero. As the previous we have discussed on. Now we have to mark as true. Okay, and we have to push all the elements of zero. The zero is connected with zero. One will be. We simply push on one. Yes, and then next address we have to pop the one and this mark as true. Okay, no problem. Problem is starting after this state. Yes, we have to mark as true and push all the enemies are connected with zero one. Zero. Yes. You are again of zero. Of zero. See that. Zero, I think we got that. So the visitor vector. Yes, zero is already visited. That's true. It's what? We got zero, I think. You see like this is a cycle. Yes, we can true. But you see in the graph, there is no cycle. This one not the case. How we solve this? Then how we solve this? Yes. I'm from zero to one is okay. No, but we move back again to zero. See, why you want to just previous one? Why you put because just our parent and this is our parent and this is our child. Child not born recently to the parent. Yeah, the child is going directly to the parent. We are not allowed. But that you simply stop this thing. The child we are not ready to the parent. If we handle this question, then we simply solve that. Yes, you see that. I recommend. Suppose it's the first time that their parent is management. If we go on this place, fun about. Yes, we are marked as zero and true, and we have to got this, we have to mark as true and listed, and we want more thing we have to is as this going. what is their parent? Their parent is 0. So after that, we have this, after the one is pushed. When we go on to the one, we have to time to put 0 in the queue. But we initially check that I cannot put 0 in the queue. Why? Because I'm trying to go on this direction. That is not allowed because this element is our the parent and yes, we have to simply continue. No need to this direction. We have to do the finding the either directions. Yeah, but this direction is not allowed. Yes, I hope you understand why this how to approach this question. If you understand this problem solved by the books that I will showing you what I am solving this which is combined. I have discussed the my approach. This if you think you can solve it, this go and solve by yourself. First, now I'm discussing the solution of this question. We know how to solve that. Okay, now in the question, we have to given a number of vertex and we have to given edges. We simply calculate the efficiency list. We see that and simply simply calculate the agency list. I have been one of the calculations. I have discussed in the previous one. But I can tell them. Yes, it will be bigger than listed vector. See that? I'm running the loop. Why we are running? Because this question we have to just join surface is two different graph which are not connected. That's what we do in each loop and discuss this example also. Hope you understand that. Yes, simply we have to pass queue of columns. We need to store their value, push to their value, and also push their the parent, who is the parent of this new. Yes, then initially we have to push the ith means zero element and we have to push the minus. If this is not registered, then we have to call on the software. If instead then we will one link we need to call the yes. Simple on that, we have to simply call software, we have to get out the finished, we have the containment here, and this are all the list by. Simple on that. In this, we have to say call travels. Now, initially, we have to size parent, but this is known. You can know something. We are the basic code of the DFS transaction. We simply our key is not input, then we have to run in implemented. We have to order 10 from the key box, we have to find similarly, the mark as listed. These are the listed one. Basically, problem. After problem, then we have to push all the element of first node. So our 10 code first is containing the node value, and 10 code second containing our the parent value. Yes, yes, you understand that. Simply mark as true of the parent node. Sure, I'm going to for pushing all the values of the parent. If the value parent value is equals to the 10% is what? Parent, then we have no need to push into the scale. We have simply continue. Okay. If visited values, if this also visited and this one means it go on this line is what? This is not a parent one. That's why in the next line, if their value, if their value is visited, it's true, then we simply can yes. I'm starting on this, go on this, and go on this, and getting go on this. This is not a part of this law. This is also a Maharashtra law. That's why we have to find a cycle. Yes. And we are pushed into the this value simple value and 10% is a value. And then we have not written an value singular and things because we have one more time cycle. Yes, this is a simple question. I have to solve this question after seeing this explanation, seeing where this explanation clearly with the light buttons, the star button, and I'm giving and the question to solve this question by using the DFS solution with yourself. First, DFS analysis also need one. I have to solve in this video and okay, and see you next time.